How to switch between front and back camera on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on camera. Next, select a mode. So here we can select a photo mode, portrait, or video mode. So once you have select a camera mode, to switch between the front and the back camera, what you do is tap on this switch button. This will allow you to switch to use the front camera, or we can switch it to the back camera. So it is essentially before you start recording a video that you select your front or back camera, because once you start recording, you will not be able to switch it to the front or the back. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. Now with the update of iOS 18, you can now pause the video recording. Even though that you can pause, you still cannot switch between the camera. So we can resume recording. In order for you to switch the camera, you need to first stop the recording and then switch the camera, and then from here you can start recording. And that's it. So just using that small button at the bottom, that will allow you to switch between the front and the back camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.